You have read the right title. I will explain a very working trick for getting Google Flow or Google AI Pro plan just in $15 per month. You can see that after trial, the Google charges 29.99 euros per month, and if I go for its AI Ultra plan, it charges 139.99 euros for 3 months. So how do you get it for just $15 per month? All you have to do is you have to open up your Instagram application. Why Instagram? You'll just get to know in 1 minute. If you do not have Instagram, I'll tell you an alternative at the end. So after opening the Instagram app, you have to go to this search button available next to the home button. After going into this search bar, you have to write exactly the same spellings as I am writing. It doesn't matter whether you are on Android or iPhone or even your laptop, it works absolutely the same on all of the devices. So you have to write here how to official 0. And if you have written the right spellings, then this Instagram account will appear up. So you have to tap on it, and after that you have to tap on this message button and write a message that I'm writing. So you have to write, I need Google Flow or Google AI plan or Google AI Pro plan in $15 and just send this message. This is my Instagram account and I provide Google Flow or Google AI plan for $15 per month with 1000 credits. And when you run out of credits or your account gets expired after 1 month, you can get another account from me and you can buy any number of accounts you want. All you have to do is just message me. And if you think I'm just a scam or I'm just lying, let me show you some proofs. Here's a client I had provided my other services to her and you can see that she is satisfied. And as this message is from 2023, it means I have been providing my services from a very long time. And here's another one. You can see that he's also saying a thanks to me after providing my services. And after that, he had sent me a payment. And my inbox is full of all the people who needed some kind of services and I have successfully provided them. You too will gain trust on me when you'll message me on my Instagram account. For those who do not have access to Instagram, just let me know in the comments and I will provide my WhatsApp or any other social platform that you are convenient to use. So I'll be waiting for you on my Instagram account. Thank you so much.